Hey, what's up, guys? Today is November the 19th on a Tuesday. Yes, it is raining, as you can see. I think this is the only day it's going to rain this week. So we're out here. This is a new client that actually found me online. Came out here a couple of weeks ago, gave them a quote on not only on the wood floors, which we're going to be doing today with a screen and recoat, but also the carpet cleaning. So Kevin came out here yesterday and cleaned the carpets, cleaned about 12 areas of carpet. And today we're going to be doing about 725 square feet of screen and recoat. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we're going to be doing today. All right, guys. So again, it is raining. We are out here in the Stone Mountain, Georgia area. All right, so let's go in here. Client is putting this house on the market. Want to get everything spruced up, nice and clean. And yes, the floors can use a good screen and recoat. And as you can see, typical issues, scuff marks. Okay, got some wear right here. The floors are natural. Okay. Definitely got some wear throughout here in the right here in the island area. So we got this whole kitchen area right here, okay, and then we got this living room again. Mostly just a lot of scuff marks in the woods. No deep scratches. Got a little discoloration right there, color correction, and also you can really see in the hallway. So again, my guy Kevin came out, did the carpet cleaning. He did about 5 areas in the basement. Stairs do count as an area. And then it was a few areas down here, so you can see the carpets have the lines in them. So polyester carpet. And then all the upstairs. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and do our part today. I do have Tavares with me today. And get these floors looking nice and uniform for the new buyer. All right, guys. All right, guys, got a great screening on this floor. The floor did have a little residue on it, not much. So it's going to get now been vacuum cleaned and tacked. Now it's going to get ready for new coating. And then after this, shout out to a company. A company recommended me to a client in Duluth. She wants to get her floors done. She sent me pictures, and based off the picture, she originally wanted them clean. When I said, your floor is lacking finish, and cleaning is not going to help that issue if it's lacking finish. It's almost like if I try to clean this floor now, it's not going to change the appearance of it. And also, too, when you have a floor that's unprotected, the cleaning can sometimes make it worse, leaving water or chemistry stains in the floor because it's exposed to wood. So, guys, remember, when we clean a floor, we're typically cleaning a floor that has protection. So it's like when you wash your car, you're not washing the paint or the material your car is made out of. You're washing the protection coating that protects the car. Same thing with wood floors. So if your floors is most, I'm gonna say, you guys see my videos, 90% of the jobs that we do have no coating. So the coatings has worn off, and that's a screen and recoat issue, not a cleaning issue. All right, guys, go ahead and get to it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. My client came by, made the payment. Very, very happy with the results. His main issue, guys, remember, I'm gonna zoom in. Remember at the beginning, those surface marks? Again, anytime you have those surface marks, it's usually in the last part of the existing finish. Scuff those out, screen those out, new coating, wham, bam. So again, these floors came out great. I did have a consultation after this that was referred to me in Duluth, but she's more like the Johns Creek area, and that was like a hour drive. And I actually got to go to the city tomorrow. We actually have 2 projects tomorrow and also 2 consultations, and she's one of them. So I had a consultation today, but we rescheduled for tomorrow morning because it would be a better fit for me to do that tomorrow morning. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.